Good day, viewers!
Today, we dive into the world full of adventure and nature, as we explore the thrilling sport of kayaking.
In the Philippines, there are many beautiful natural spots where kayaking is a popular activity, such as the Hundred Islands in Pangasinan and the calm waters of Palawan. Kayaking allows people to observe and appreciate the natural beauty of their surrounding, including the unique flora and fauna found in the Philippines.
To go kayaking, the basic equipment includes a kayak, paddle, life jacket, and a helmet. The kayak is a small narrow boat that is designed for one or two people. It can be made of plastic, fiberglass, or other materials. In addition to these basic items, other equipment such as waterproof clothing, spray skirt, and dry bags may also be necessary depending on the kayaking conditions. And now, if you want to do kayaking, here are the do's and don'ts while kayaking. First, wear a properly fitted life jacket at all times. Check the weather conditions before heading out and be prepared for the changes. Learn and practice proper paddling techniques to maneuver the kayak effectively. Respect the environment and wildlife by avoiding disturbing habitats and leaving no trace. And last, stay hydrated and bring necessary supplies such as sunscreen and snacks. And for the don'ts, don't overload the kayak with too much weight. Avoid kayaking in unfamiliar or dangerous waters without guidance. Don't paddle alone, especially in remote or challenging locations. Don't ignore safety instructions and guidelines provided by the instructors or experienced kayakers. And last, avoid disturbing other kayakers or watercraft and maintain a safe distance from them.
Kayaking is a fun water sport that offers many benefits. It helps improve strength, endurance, and flexibility. Kayaking also promotes mental well-being by reducing stress and anxiety. Additionally, kayaking is an eco-friendly activity that doesn't harm the environment.
And that's all for today. This is your reporter from New News. I am John Ray Martagon.
And I am Jules G. Santalaha. Remember that knowledge is the key to understanding the world around us.